everybody, welcome back to my channel, bringing you guys the coupon preview for this Sunday, August 9th. Now it looks like we're getting 2 inserts, 1 Retail Me Not, 1 Smart Source. I'm just going to kind of go through it fast with you guys on what we're getting. Now if you are new to couponing, please keep in mind not everybody gets the same inserts, not everybody gets the same coupons. I think, in my opinion, if everybody had the same inserts and the same coupons, I think there would be a lot less fraud in the world. But that's my opinion. But just wanted to share with you guys with this. So we got some, don't even know what that water is. I don't have it in my area. We have Caesar Dial Men, buy one get one free. There is a deal that's at Walgreens that might be an okay deal. Dove Men Care, we got $2 off, $2 off the body wash. Primo Pack Cheese, Rachel Ray, buy one get one free. Renews It's, we are getting a buy 4 get 2 coupon, and we are getting the Renews It's oil diffuser. See, that's stuff that I never get, so that's how I know, you know, not to look forward to it, because I don't get those coupons. Hopefully there's some printables for it. We got some Schwarzkopf hair products, $6 off of 2. Italian bread, I don't have a Shaw's anywhere near me. And then we're getting $1.25 off of 2 Zebra pens or pencils. I usually hold on to those coupons, you guys, because they don't expire till October 9th, and I use those coupons to buy clearance pens. Last year I bought so many pens, it was ridiculous, because I got them absolutely for free. So here we got Aquaphor for the Smart Source, $2, $3, Betty Crocker Fruit Shapes, 50 cents off of 2, Biore, $2, $1, Clairol Nice and Easy, 5 off of 2, Clairol, $2. I haven't seen any really good deals on hair dye lately, which is kind of sad, but that's okay, because not everybody likes to box dye their hair. I do, because it's cheap, but that's what I have noticed. I have not bought hair dye probably in the whole year of 2020. It's kind of sad. We got Clear Eyes, 50 cents, CoverGirl, $3, $3, and $2. So those are better coupons than the last inserts we got. Fiber One, 50 cents, Natural, $5 or $2 or $5. Nature Valley granola bars, $1 off any 2. Neutrogena sun care products, $3. OxyClean, $1. So most likely those could have a possible deal at Walgreens in the near future, but we can't check because the ad doesn't show us ahead of time. But just want to let you guys know with that. Pediasure, Zest, $1, and Zone Perfect and Zyrtec. So those are all the inserts that we are getting. I forgot to mention it. This website is SundayCouponInserts.com, so you guys can check it out yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.